Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make deep-fried French toast. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. For the best texture, choose bread that is at least 3/4 of an inch thick. Also, set up a shallow dish for dipping your bread and a wire rack for cooling the finished toast. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, let's prepare the delicious batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. For frying, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven. Aim for a consistent temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, using a thermometer to monitor it closely. Now for the exciting part, frying. Dip each slice of bread into your prepared batter, making sure it's fully coated but not overly saturated. Carefully place the battered bread into the hot oil. Fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, transfer the toast to a wire rack placed over paper towels to drain any excess oil. Your deep-fried French toast is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite maple syrup, fresh fruit, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Whipped cream or a handful of fresh berries also make fantastic toppings. This indulgent treat is perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.